a step guide on how to download our stock images from Lenodo.ai. Yes, Lenodo.ai. So we want to go over to our Chrome over there and type Lenodo.ai there. Okay, so we have all the stock images there. Remember, I told you it's a free site that give you 250 images for a day, which is enough for your project. Then the remaining you pay for it, but I don't think you can. You want to create over 250 designs or content. So we go there. So if you don't have an account, you create one. You create an account. Then just click on create. So you log in with your Google account. I already have one myself, so it's just open there. Okay, so it's coming up. Perfect. Now our Lenovo AI is open. So what we're going to go click now, we're going to click on create new images. As you can see on your left hand side, create new images. You click there. Okay. So if you are opening this site for the first time, it's going to show you some things to choose about, what you like, some things to choose. So you're going to just choose about 5 to 4 of them. Then you click go ahead and to bring you here. Look at now, we have 150 coins there that will give us the image. So each image we create, it takes 4 coins. Okay, each image that you create, it takes 4 coins. I repeat, for each image you create, it takes 4 coins. So we have 150 coins per day, which should be enough. Okay, so now we are going to tell the Lenovo what actually we want. For instance, now I type there complete YouTube studio with chair, a table, and a camera on the wall with a book library. Okay, so you're going to tell the Lenovo AI exactly what you want it to generate. What kind of image, if a market setting, if it's a library, if it's a room, anything, you just explain in detail. So another important thing I want us to set is now always keep these settings here. Always keep this on absolute reality v1.6. Yes, you can see we have Lenovo Diffuse XL, Lenovo Vision XL, AI Bed Base XL, Dream Sharper V7, Absolute Reality V1.6. So always keep it on Absolute Reality V1.6. So it's going to give you an exact image, a real life image, exactly image, just like real life, the one we see in our everyday activity. So you set it on there and you keep this one on Lenovo style. Okay, always keep it on Lenovo style. So now next we're going to do, we're going to click on what generate. Okay, we're going to click on generate. You see it's loading, so it's going to give us 4 different options there. It's loading, so you have to have a little bit of patience there. It's loading. Okay, it's loading. You can see, so you have a little bit of patience. Okay, our image has popped out open. So now we're going to check carefully on the one we prefer most. Okay, you check on the one you prefer most. Okay, so checking which one I prefer most. Okay, I think okay, let's go with let's go with this one over here. Okay, so now I'll click on it. Then next I'll click is I'm going to click on download. On my left hand side, the first column there, you see a download button there. So you're going to click on that download image. Okay, you can see download it. It's already downloaded on our mobile device. Okay, if I want to click download again, click on download again, you can see it's now on our mobile device. So next you just go straight to your gallery over there. You go straight to your gallery and pop out your image you downloaded. So where you're going to see your image, you're going to see it inside your folder where you have download. Okay, now this is our image we just downloaded, our stock image. It's just as easy as that. I'll repeat the process once more. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process once more. So this is, I want to download this one. I'll just click on the image, click on the image there, and I'm going to click on download. That's small column there. Now you can see it's now saved on our mobile phone. So you just go to your gallery and you go to download and you get your images there. Okay, you refresh your gallery, you go to download, you go to download, and you're going to see your images there. This is our image now. This is the first one we downloaded, and this is the second one we downloaded. You can see as easy as that. So I believe you have understand how you can get your stock image from Lenodo.ai without you getting worried how do I change my background, I get stock images for my background. So if this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to click on the notification button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. And also, any video you want me to create, anything you want to learn, please drop on the comment section. Until when next we see in the next video. Thank you.